Hello everyone, this is Taylor Lindsay presenting my Screencast Introduction for EDT 6045 for summer of 2020. A little bit about me would be that, first and foremost, I'm originally from Oxford, Pennsylvania, and I currently live in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. I went to Oxford Area High School and then got my Bachelor's of Arts at the University of Delaware. I taught for 1 year in Delaware at Sarah Pyle Academy, followed up by 4 years at Lehigh Valley Academy, and then I currently teach at Lehigh Career and Technical Institute in the Academic Center, where I teach high school social studies and computer applications. Some of my course information for this course would be that my major is that I'm in the Applied Technology and Education major, and my biggest goals for this course are to do well. This is the last course of the actual program other than the elective courses, so I'm hoping to get this wrapped up and done for the summer, and then finally have a better understanding of technology in education. Other things about me, I am an avid bowler when not quarantined. This picture here is me at the national tournament last year. I love to play Dungeons and Dragons, as nerdy and or lame as it sounds, but I love it. I follow almost every major sport available, and I hang out regularly with my cat, who's been loving that I'm quarantined. I look forward to working with you all. Thank you very much.